Hey guys, and welcome back to The Upper Hand. Today we want to show you a new product that we received in our clinic about a week or so ago. Our patients are loving it, we're loving it, we can't wait to tell you all about this.
So this new product is called the FEPSim, and it is a product that allows you as a clinician to have your patients perform functional strengthening activities through simulation that can be graded in multiple ways very easily.
So, this thing has a ton of different accessories, different attachments that you can connect to the horizontal and the vertical model that they have. We can't wait to show you what all it does and what all it can do for your patients. So stay tuned. So when you receive the FEPSim in your clinic, it comes in two separate units. You've got the horizontal unit, you've got the vertical unit. So with the vertical unit, it tolerates or accommodates more weight-bearing type activities such as opening a jar lid like this, or something like a small bottle top or cap, anything like that.
And the horizontal unit, as you can imagine, will allow the patient to perform activities in this plane. And another thing to note is that they can perform activities unilaterally or bilaterally because there are two horizontal attachments, which is really useful and helpful in a lot of tasks. And then also it's important to note that you could align this horizontal unit either parallel to the patient or perpendicular to the patient depending on what muscle groups you want to target. For example, this would target wrist extension and flexion, but you could turn it and have it target wrist pronation and supination. And one functional application of that would be if you wanted to add this key attachment, you'd have it running parallel to the patient so that they could practice simulating turning an ignition key in a car. And then if they wanted to practice turning a doorknob, which there is also a doorknob attachment with this unit, you can slip that off and you could turn it perpendicular to the patient, attach a doorknob attachment here, and have them practice this in a functional direction because they would be facing a door perpendicular.
So another great thing about this unit or this product is that it's easily graded up or down for your patients. It has this little resistance knob here that you can go up or down on. So have it on level 3 right now. That's a little hard for turning a knob like this, so you can just bump that down a little bit and make that a little more easily attainable for your patients.
One other neat feature is this neat little scale that is on the side of the unit here, and it measures the degrees to which you have turned the handle, and it's got all these little tick marks, and it's got these numbers every 90 degrees. So you've got a 0, you've got a 90, 180, 270, and then back to 0. And so that's useful because if you want to give the patient a goal, for example, let's use pronation and supination. So if you want to turn the unit and have them work on pronation and supination, you could give them a goal if you started at 0 here and have them have the goal of today of getting from 0 to 90 in supination and then come back to 0. And it just gives the patient a visual goal, an achievable goal that they can work towards while they're turning and using this unit. So it's really neat.
Another cool thing is, as Dylan is turning this around, every time you make a full 360-degree turn, it has a counter on here as well. So if you want your patients to be doing a certain number of reps, that's easy for them to keep up with. Alright guys, so obviously we love this product. Honestly, I hadn't went a day without using it since we got it in our clinic. As therapists, we're always trying to find ways and activities that are functional for our clients. This product makes it extremely easy to do that.
And as an added bonus, I mean, it looks great, feels great, very sturdy, it's well built.
It's really easy to move from patient to patient, but also when you put it in front of a patient, it suctions down really well, so it's not going to move on them. And again, when you go to move it and put it in front of another patient, push down on these little tabs, easy to move from patient to patient.
So guys, if you're interested in getting one of these units into your hands, into your clinic, shoot us a DM, let us know. We'll get you in touch with the right people to get the FEPSim into your clinic so that you can start using it with your patients.